Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use XING for networking. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and just search for XING just like that. And now click on the first link right over here. Now once you've done that, make sure that you have logged in into your account. Now in order for you to go ahead and network, there is this network button on the navigation bar. As you can see, simply go ahead and click on that, and now on the member search you can simply go ahead and search for the people that you're looking for. You can simply go ahead and write their name, or you could also go ahead and discover new contact by clicking over there. If you already have friends, your colleagues will also be shown. But for example, if I'm gonna search for example Julie, so as you can see, all the people with the name Julie are gonna go ahead and pop up. You can select if they're direct contacts, second level contacts, third level contacts, and stuff like that. You can also go ahead and add them right over here, and if they recognize you, they can add you back, and then you can have a conversation with them. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.